So, first question, how do you feel about new club, new teammates, Belgrade? Do you love it? Like it? Like it? Like it?
Yeah, I like the city so far. I like my teammates, great guys. We getting along. We still got a long way to go, but we working towards our goal. And, we all can't wait for the season to start.
Did you heard about competition between Red Star and Partizan?
Of course. I mean, I play basketball in Europe, so I know that. I've played in previous teams that had crazy rivalries, so I know what the rivalries is about. And I know this rivalry is a big one, so both teams are looking forward to it.
Do you know anything about Red Star fans?
I've played against them. I've played against Red Star a bunch of times here, and the fans are crazy, yelling at me. So now I'm excited that hopefully they will yell for me.
Do you know any song, maybe?
No.
Any Serbian word?
Vala.
Anything else?
You don't want to know the rest.
Oh, yeah.
No,
Some bad words.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.